The games that actually pay real rewards don't hide the earning method. They clearly explain what you need to do, how rewards are tracked, and how you can redeem your earnings. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 gaming apps with transparent reward systems, and how to avoid the apps that make unrealistic promises. The first app is Free. Instead of paying you just for downloading a game, Freecash rewards users for completing specific milestones inside sponsored mobile games. Every offer lists its requirements before you begin, so you know exactly what needs to be completed before rewards are credited. Next is Gimmicks. Scrambly works in a similar way by rewarding users for reaching objectives in partner games. Each offer displays the required tasks and the available reward, making it easy to decide whether the offer is worth your time before you install the game. Third is Gimmicks. Android users earn rewards by playing supported mobile games directly through the app. Rather than relying on sweepstakes or random prize draws, the app tracks your gameplay and awards coins that can be redeemed through supported payout methods. The fourth option is Just Playing. Just Play lets users earn rewards by spending time in games from its library. As your gameplay progresses, eligible rewards become available for redemption. The app focuses on regular gameplay instead of asking users to buy in-game items to qualify for rewards. The fifth app is Gimmicks. Misplay rewards Android users for discovering and playing featured games over time. Instead of promising unrealistic payouts, it encourages consistent gameplay and allows users to redeem earned points for available rewards. Here's the biggest red flag to watch for. If an app promises that you'll earn hundreds of dollars after playing for only a few minutes, or guarantees huge payouts without explaining the earning process, it's usually worth avoiding. Legitimate reward apps are transparent about how rewards are earned, when they're credited, and which payout methods are available. Before installing any game, read the offer instructions carefully, make sure tracking is enabled if required, and avoid uninstalling the game until your progress has been credited. Those simple steps help ensure you receive the rewards you've earned. If you're looking for gaming apps with straightforward reward systems instead of unrealistic promises, Freecash, Scrambly, Cash Giraffe, Just Play and Misplay are all excellent places to start. If this comparison helped you separate legitimate reward apps from gimmicks, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best real money gaming apps for 2026.